Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today let us make an easy and healthy roti using Makkai atta or maize flour. Maize flour is very nutritious and we should try to include it in our diet. Let us take 1 and 3/4 cup of maize flour or Makkai atta, salt to taste, add half teaspoon of ajwain seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1.5 cup of chopped fenugreek leaves or methi leaves, and 1/4 cup of coriander leaves. Into this we'll add enough water to get the right consistency. This is an easy recipe for Makkai atta. We are not kneading the dough or rolling out the rotis. We are just making a batter. Here I've used about 1.5 cup of water. Now this should be the consistency of the batter. Maize flour is high in proteins and starch, rich in iron, phosphorus, zinc, vitamins and antioxidants, and it is also fiber rich, and it is lower in calories compared to wheat flour. After resting the dough for 5 to 10 minutes, now we'll prepare the rotis. On a heated and well greased skillet, we'll pour 1 ladle of the batter and close it and cook it till it turns golden brown on both the sides. We can use butter or ghee. Using this method, we can make the rotis very easily, and it is so healthy. So it is always good to include other grains in our diet other than rice and wheat. Cook the rotis on both sides till it turns golden brown. It's so nice to see that many of our friends are trying out the recipes and giving the feedback. So glad that you like the recipes. Please do try this recipe also and let me know how it turns out. Now the roti is cooked on both sides. It is turned nice and golden brown in color. Same way we'll prepare the rotis. Just take care to make the batter of the right consistency, neither too loose nor too thick. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.